Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. I want to take you in and share this power thought with you. Then we're going to come back and get into this message very, very briefly after we look at the power thought, okay? Okay, so now let's look at this powerful power thought. When your why is incredibly strong, it will give you the will to withstand much more than you can possibly imagine. Man, let's just look at that one more time. When your why is incredibly strong, it will give you the will to withstand much more than you can possibly imagine. A great power thought by Brian Carruthers. And I think it was Nietzsche who says that if your why is big enough, you can overcome anyhow. Something like that. Man, it's been a while since I read that quote, but yeah, it's close to it. Okay. All right, let's get back into it. Okay, so I did mean to share this thought with you as well. So we'll do that and then we'll talk about this, okay? Quitters never win and winners never quit. They finish what they start. I will until. Man, I love that. I love that. Quitters never win. And winners never quit. They finish what they start. I will until. Isn't that powerful? Okay. It may be hard to believe that you could earn $200 plus daily with this very low cost, $30 one time out of pocket business opportunity. Okay, it is very powerful. See what all the fuss is about, because there's a lot of fuss going on about this opportunity. All right, $30 one time out of pocket, get paid daily. And so I'm going to leave my website, the link to my website, in the description area of this video. Look, it's so easy to take a look. It's so quick to take a look. So I invite you to take a look at this opportunity today and get started today. Don't hesitate, okay? Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Do it today. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Hope to see you on the inside, okay? All right now. Bye-bye.